that communication system will be docked at the opposite end.
For Jem Rms.
Go ahead, Scuba.
Hey, we see you completed the step 7.1 and like to verify brakes on.
Thank you, Scuba. Brakes are on.
Copy that.
Again, this is Mission Control Houston, and you're watching as the inter-orbit communication system is being docked to the exposed facility. That inter-orbit communication system, or ICS, will be on the opposite end of the exposed facility from that maxi that was attached earlier this morning. International Space Station Flight Engineer Tim Copra is working the arm, and Julie Payette is assisting him this morning as the this afternoon as the two are working to get the inter-orbit communication system attached to the exposed facility. Operations today, the timeline is running a little bit behind, about an hour behind. There's been some difficulty this morning as the maxi was grappled. Some difficulty with that grappling, and then with the ICS there was some difficulty just making sure that the payload attachment mechanism was released, along with just some precautions during the grappling of that to make sure that the problems that were discovered during the maxi grappling were not going to reoccur. Once this is berthed to the International Space Station, the next robotic activity will be the grappling and berthing of the Seda, which is the Space Environment Data Acquisition Equipment.
Go ahead, Tom, on 2.
Yeah, Mark, just wanted to give you our CSA02 readings, 21.9 for both.
Copy, 21.9 for both.
And we're complete with the equipment lock prep.
Outstanding, thanks.
This is Mission Control Houston, and you're watching as the robotic arm, the Kibo robotic arm, is getting its first really good workout today. Of course, the robotic arm has been tested by Koichi Wakata while he was on board the space station this past 4 months, but today is the first day of it being used on board the space station for scientific purposes. It's being used today to move 2 experiments. Those experiments are the MAXI experiment, which was moved earlier this morning, and the second experiment, the Seda, will be moved later this afternoon. Right now on your screen, you can see the Inter-Orbit Communications System. That's the ICS, and that is a Kibo-specific communications system, allowing uplink and downlink of data, images, and voice between the Kibo and to the Mission Control Center at the Scuba Space Center near Tokyo, Japan.